Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click here on privacy ensuring, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on sharing, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. So just waiting to open video here. So then you click here on sharing here. So just switching to open video like this. Come here to include my listing and search innings. Clicking this sign. Now, like you see, this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.